Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers, Blowers, and Guns. Good morning. It's a beautiful day today, and I got a package from my new friends over at Mission First Tactical, MFTs. Now, throughout my channel, as you guys might have followed along, I own 3 rifles: a 22 long rifle, Smith & Wesson 1522, an AR-9 9mm, and my budget build AR-15. Now, with the budget build AR-15, I've had some cycling issues with certain mags and with certain ammunition, okay? So when I first got my AR, I bought these cheap Hera mags. They're 10 round. Oh, and by the way, I forgot the premise that I am a citizen of the People's Republic of New York. We have the most restrictive gun laws. Actually, New Jersey, Connecticut, their laws suck too. You know, wouldn't you agree? You actually need an ammo card to buy ammo in New Jersey, Maryland, and Connecticut. Well, here in New York, you say our rules are the most restrictive in the country, right? But you can go to any gun shop or Field & Stream or Walmart and buy ammo over the counter without any ID, just like a bag of chips. Anyway, so with these Hera mags that I bought, 10 round only, right? I didn't like the fact that they were so short. I wanted the 30 round size, but restricted to 10 rounds, you know? Well, I don't want it restricted, but it's the law, so you gotta do it. I'd rather not get free silver bracelets from the ATF, you know what I mean? So I'm also cheap. I don't like to spend a whole lot of money, you know what I mean? So I would always buy like Russian steel case ammo, you know? So I've got like Tula ammo in here, right? And in this Hera mag, which only cost $8, and I got it on like a Father's Day sale, so I bought like a few of these. So I've had cycling issues, stovepipes, some double jams here and there, you know, but sometimes they work okay. When I put brass in here, like PMC 55 grain 223 ammo, runs great. So there's something to be said about that. So I also, and my gun is FDE color, so I also got some Hera mags. Hera mags are pretty cheap. You can get them for like $10.99, $11.99, but remember, you gotta pay shipping. So you end up spending $14 on it anyway, $15 even, you know? Same story with the Hera mags. Cycling issues, jams, sometimes, you know, with steel case. When you put the brass in there, no problem. So I decided I was gonna, you know, really dig deep and get myself a Magpul P-Mag. This is FDE color, which is the color of my weapon, and I put PMC brass 55 grain 223 in here, and never have a problem. I also got a Duramag, the steel one. So this was black before. You guys can check out my episode where I actually put sodium hydroxide and lye and some other crap, and I de-anodized the black magazine, polished it up with some polish with a machine, and now I've got a chrome Duramag. I have Russian steel case Sergeant Major 55 grain 223 in here. It's also Russian ammo, but it's silver. It's cool. So my new friends over at MFT, Mission First Tactical, sent me a box yesterday. I opened it up just to see what it was. Look what they got me. A Mission First Tactical hat in FDE color. And a t-shirt. MFT. American flag on one side, and on the back, MFT, Mission First Tactical. Oh, by the way, MFT is USA made, if you guys want to stay patriotic. So they sent me 4 of their Generation 2 mags. These are 1030s, okay? 10 to stay compliant with New York State Safe Act. And it's, you know, there's something in there that keeps it 10 rounds. While you can normally easily move the base plate here and pick it out, right? It's actually been riveted with a plastic thing over here. You could probably take it off if you really wanted to. But until I move to a free state, I got to keep this the way it is. Just in case those New York State troopers don't pull you over on the way to the range and try to jack you up, you know what I mean? This has a 4-sided non-tilting follower, and it is black in color, right? And it's also self-lubricating is what they say. Now, I want to disclaim something real quick. When I got these in the mail yesterday, I decided that I was going to look them up on YouTube and see if there's any other reviews on the same exact mag. I saw a lot of reviews on this mag. However, they were all like between 2 and 6 years old, you know what I mean? So a lot of the videos were complaining that the follower over here, it warps out, you know, the sides here. So people were complaining that the rounds were so far apart that the rounds wouldn't stay in the mag. Like you could load up a 30 round mag, right? And like the tension of the spring wanted to push these out. And if you just dropped it, they will all go, how did that sound go? Like that. So I'm like, ooh, that's not good, you know? But I saw they were all first generation Mod 1. This is 2022. These are generation 2s. If you look at the mag itself, it has a 2.0 there, and under MFT it says Mod 2. So this is a new and improved one. I haven't seen any videos on how people complained that the rounds would pop out like that. There's another thing to that too. Remember, you're shoving 30 rounds in here, right? I'm only shoving 10 rounds in mine. So the spring tension's not going to be out of control. It's not going to be completely crimped in there, you know what I mean? Especially if you have 30 rounds. So people say that they put 29 rounds in there and it's better, you know what I mean? But I'm only going to be putting 10 in there, so I don't think I'm going to have an issue. But I'm going to the range with my buddy Nameless tomorrow, and my brother's in town from Los Angeles. So we're going to probably take him to the range tomorrow to go shooting, and that's a perfect opportunity for me to try out my new MFT mags, the 1030 ones. Now, they also say that not only are these self-lubricating followers, meaning it's supposed to be so smooth that you never have to put any gun oil in your mags because it'll just be freely moving and it won't pivot or anything on the follower. Also, they said that they made it so that the bottom part is a little bit wider, so it's easier for you to grab and pull out of your mag well. These are about $4 or $5 cheaper than the Magpul P mags. So I've got 4 mags here, and I have 4 different types of 223 ammo. I have green tips too from PMC, 5.56. You think I'm going to use that at the range? What are you, crazy? You like to throw away money or something? Anyway, I'm just going to load 5. 5 is a pretty good deciding factor, according to Grand Thumb, where he always just puts in 5 to test the cycling. 5 is a good number. So I'll put 5 steel case 55 grain 223 Tula ammo, Russian steel case ammo, in here to try tomorrow. Looks fine to me. Of course, I only have 5 in here. And it's a 1030 mag, so you can only put 10. But so far, so good, man. Looks fine to me. I'm going to try these tomorrow. Next, I've got almost the same thing. Russian steel case, Wolf 55 grain 223. I'm going to put 5 in the second mag tomorrow. Just loaded 5 into mag number 2 with some Wolf. I want to show you guys something. On the very bottom here on the plate, you have these digital grids here. I'm just going to put a black dot there to show that this one has Wolf in it. The one without the dot is Tula. That's how I can tell the difference, because honestly, I think they're from the same exact company because they look identical. Identical. Next, I've got some Sergeant Major silver steel case, 223 55 grain, also Russian ammo. These seem like they run better than the other ones. Maybe it's because of the steel case, how shiny it is and polished. 5 in here. You can tell that these are steel case, so you don't have to write anything. And finally, PMC brass 223 55 grain. PMC is a South Korean armory. They actually make ammunition for their military. It's fantastic. 5 rounds PMC brass in here. Man, that looks so good, I don't even want to shoot it, you know what I mean? It's like gold!
That's gold, Jerry. Gold!
So I've got 4 mags here from MFT. I'm gonna go try it out. I'm gonna try these out tomorrow at the range. Stay tuned for that episode when I go to Calverton Shooting Range here in Long Island for the 11th time in a year. We're gonna try out these MFT mags, and I'm looking forward to it. They look fantastic, they feel fantastic, and we'll see how they go through 4 different types of ammunition. Thanks a lot for sending it to me, guys. I hope they run really well, and we'll see you guys next time on Mowers, Blowers, and Guns.
How about the lining?
Tactical.
Hey, I'm Henry from Mowers and Blowers! As a YouTuber that deals with small engine equipment on a daily basis, I worry about the harmful effects of the 10% ethanol that's in your unleaded gas from your gas station. Here on the East Coast, as winter nears, I think about storing my summer lawn equipment for the winter. Ethanol absorbs moisture, and what it does is it could rust or corrode and clog up your jets in your carburetor. That's why I use Ethanol Safeguard with stabilizers from my friends over at Lucas Oil Products. Before you store your machines, a little bit of Lucas goes a long way. When you're ready to use your machines again, hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video, and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.